Hello, hi, good morning. Hi, Andre. Hi, how are you?
Hi, hello.
I'm fine, very well.
Can I sit here?
Please be seated.
Yep.
Thank you.
So just a quick question. How much does an accountant earn in a year?
Well, yearly an accountant can start getting 22k and then it goes up to 45k. It fully depends on your experience.
Okay, thank you. Hi everyone, this is Habib from Hasselfee Education. So today I'm going to interview one of the renowned accountants in the UK. So make sure you get a lot of notes and get all the information. And I believe that this information will change your life. So let's begin. So how are you, sir, today?
I'm very well. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for your time as well. So
You're
can you
welcome.
please introduce yourself?
Well, my name is Syed Afzal Hussain and I've done my graduation in BSc Business Management and Accountant. And then I've done AAT as well.
Okay, thanks for sharing that. So I'd like to take you, a lot more back while you are studying in school and college. Can you please share a little bit where you're from, where did you study?
Okay, I'm actually from Pakistan and I'm from north of Pakistan called Gilgit-Baltistan. And I have started my academic journey from my local city, which is Gilgit-Baltistan. And then I've done my intermediate in accountancy from Karachi, Pakistan. Then I've applied for UK in university, and then I got admission from in UK. That was the BBP University where I studied my course.
Okay, so what made you to choose accountancy? Especially why are you so interested in?
Well, especially in accountancy, this is the course, it takes you where you want to go. Anywhere in the world, any sector, whether it is financial or business sector, you would get your job easily. And it's always in demand. Accountants are always in demand. So on the other hand, obviously, it's highly rewardable and it's flexible, a flexible course. So you could study and then you could improve your numeracy skills, and then you could improve your analytical and business tax planning skills as well.
Okay, so as you said, you're from Pakistan, then you have chosen to study in the UK. So may I know what's the reason, you have chosen to study in the UK?
Well, the first reason was obviously the quality of education here in UK. Obviously, it's highly in rank in the world. And obviously I have chosen UK because UK is full of opportunities for students, especially soon you complete your degree and you would get job easily. It's because it's full of opportunities in UK, and obviously London is the hub of business and London is the it's one of the world's top financial cities anyway. So soon you complete your degree, you would get easily job in any business sector.
Okay, got it. So now would like to know a little bit about your work experience, especially can you please share with us how did you land your first job? Because a lot of international students, they struggle a lot to get the first job. So yeah, please.
Yeah, that's true. For the initial phase, it's a bit struggling. Obviously, you have to keep applying. So I would say that for the starters, never give up, keep applying, and then obviously you would get response from employers. So I've started my professional journey as a accounts trainee in a local accountancy firm, and then obviously. Then I have improved my working skills. I've gained a lot of experience in accountancy, and then I had been promoted to accounts assistant, and then I was performing my duties as account assistant in Tax Direct Limited. And right now it's been nearly 4 years with Tax Direct Limited, and I have been promoted as accounts senior from the trainee account to the account semi-senior at the moment.
Wow, congratulations.
So it's all, the professional work experience based on professional work experience.
Okay, Mr. Afzal, we have got a lot of students who are adult, especially over 30, 35 years old, and they are studying in different universities with different courses. And some of them they would like to study accountancy because they would like to come this profession. However, the question I'm going to ask you is, there are a lot of adult students, they are already self-employed or they would like to become self-employed. So how can you help them? What sort of service you can provide them?
Well, I would just made it clear while they are studying, they could be a self-employed as well. They can do their own work. So for self-employed people, we can help them with to be registered as a self-employed person with HM Revenue and Customs, and then we will advise them on our tax expertise, and then we will help them to prepare their personal tax returns, and then filing the personal tax return to HMRC.
Okay, so dear viewers, if you are thinking about to get some sort of advice from accountancy firm, so I do recommend Tax Direct, because this is I'm one of the clients of them, so that's why definitely I'm really happy. So how will people find you, to communicate with you, to contact with you?
Well, our presence is on, obviously, we are on www.taxdirect.uk.com. You can drop your email, we will book an appointment, and then we will advise you to the best of our knowledge. And we are also on Facebook as well. Our Facebook page is available on Facebook. You could follow us on Facebook as well, and we would be helpful for you, for your business.
Okay, so the name Tax Direct, so it sounds like it involves with taxation. So other than taxation, what sort of service you offer?
So our accountancy firm is involved in tax. Apart from tax, we are also providing company formation services, VAT returns for VAT registered businesses. We are also providing payroll services to the companies, and payroll services to the companies, and then preparing their financial accounts, management accounts, and then obviously file them to HM Revenue and Custom on their behalf by acting as agent.
Wow. So I know this accountancy firm is located in Ilford. So my question is, probably some of the clients, they would like to take your service from Wales, from Manchester, Birmingham. Is it still possible? I mean, you can provide service to them?
It is possible for us to provide our services to them. Obviously, they have to book an appointment with us, and then we will engage our potential clients with us, and then we will start performing our services to them.
So do you find it difficulties, to serve the remotely?
Well, it won't be difficult, because pandemic has taught us a lot. So it would be easy for us to communicate with our clients. We could do Zoom meetings. We could do we can communicate through emails, through calls. So we have a lot of mediums anyway. So we could we would be satisfying our customers on time.
Okay. So probably a lot of viewers, they are from international countries like Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. So what's your comment? Do you recommend them to come to study in the UK?
Well, I do recommend them to come to the UK.
Why?
for studies. There are a couple of reasons. Let me elaborate further. First of all, obviously, UK's quality of education is highly recognizable everywhere in the world, and obviously it's highly the rank. UK's education is highly their ranking is in high in the world. The second reason is, obviously, UK is full of opportunities anyway for students, and the good thing is about studying in UK is that obviously while you are studying your course, you would get holidays and placement year, so that you could get your professional experience in your field, whatever you are studying, apart from accountancy, whether it could be accountancy, whether it could be engineering or medical or any other field as well. So it is a good opportunity to learn practical work while studying theoretical things and academic things. So it's also a good opportunity. And thirdly, obviously, here in UK, the UK is obviously full of opportunities for jobs, as UK is the world's top financial cities. Especially London is the world's top financial cities, and London is a hub of business. So you would get, soon you complete your degree, you would get job easily. Obviously, it fully depends on how you are applying, and you may get a job.
Okay, wow, thanks for sharing that. So a lot of students, they might be thinking right now, so once I finish my graduation and all that stuff, so how much can I earn? So my specific question to you is, so how much does an accountant earn in a year?
Well, the salary could be starting from from 22,000 to, and it goes up to 45,000. Obviously, it fully depends on their experience. Obviously, you have to start, start from the beginning. Like you will be performing duties as a trainee accountant, and obviously your professional journey, it just started anyway. So you have to improve further, and then you would go, you would be promoted anyway yearly on the basis of your experience, and then you would be getting increments yearly. So it goes up to 45, and then it goes on. It fully depends on your experience.
Wow. And the last question I'm going to ask you regarding this thing is, a lot of international students, they are asking, so once I finish my graduation and all that stuff, can I work and can I get settled in the UK? So can you please share your journey? So how did you get settled in the UK as well?
Well, when I was a student, obviously I've done my graduation here in UK, and then I was doing master as well, and then I was keep applying for jobs, and then I got response from few employers, and then I had gone through with few interviews, and then finally obviously I've chosen Tax Direct to work here, and at the moment it's been nearly 5 years with Tax Direct, and now I've been settled down here in UK. So that's how I started my professional life here in UK.
Wow. So dear viewers, thanks for watching this video.